This is another coding challenge from Educative. Um, in it, we're given an array containing zeros and ones, and you're allowed to replace no more than k zeros with ones, and we're supposed to find the length of the longest contiguous subarray having all ones. So, for example, given this array here of ones and two replacements, k equals 2, our longest subarray that we could find is of length 6. That being one where this 0 here and the one at index 5 are replaced as well. So my plan to solve this was to use a variable length sliding window and just keep track of the maximum length at each point in time, at each next addition of the right side of the sliding window. This one was a little bit easier than yesterday's because it's pretty much the same, except there's less complexity because you only have to deal with like two characters or two integers rather. So my plan is to iterate over the array, and that will be the right side of the sliding window. I'm keeping track of the left side as well, the number of replacements I have left, the longest subarray so far, and I think that's it. No, there's more. There must be more. Oh, and the number of ones currently within the subarray. So I'm iterating over it, and at each loop, I add the current integer to my ones count if it's a 1, and then if it's a 0, I decrement the number of replacements that I have left. So, like so. And then if I have less than 0 replacements, I can keep adding new integers to my subarray if they are 1, even if I have 0 replacements left. But if I have less than 0 replacements left, then I need to adjust the length of the sliding window, the length of the subarray, by moving the left side to the right a little bit. So basically, while I have less than 0 replacements left, I increment, or first I subtract from my ones count a 1 if the current left side integer is a 1. And then I increment the index of the left side, and then I recalculate my replacements. The number of replacements is always equal to the originally allotted number of replacements that you're given, k, minus the integers that are not 0, the number of zeros within your subarray. So the length of your subarray minus your ones count, k minus that. So after you're done readjusting the size of your sliding window from the left if need be, essentially replenishing your number of replacements, then just want to check at each loop here at each new addition of an integer on the right side if the current longest subarray, that value needs to be replaced, the answer. So the size of the current subarray, if that's longer, replace it. And then that's basically it. Yeah, this one felt good. On to the next.